Hello. Today in this video I will show you how to upload YouTube video watermark of all videos at once. So let's begin. First you open Chrome. Then search for YouTube Studio. And go to YouTube Studio page. And scroll down. Then click on Customization. And click on Brands. And scroll down. Then click on Upload. And select your watermark photo. I use my profile picture as a watermark photo. And click Open. And there are three options. You can choose any of them. The first option is that the watermark shows at the end of all your video. The second option is Custom Start Time, which you can set as you want in your video. The third option is Full Video, which will always appear in your video. So I choose the third option. Finally click Publish. I hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching.